Have you ever wondered how to buy cryptocurrency on Binance? Well, you've come to the right place. Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, is celebrated for its user-friendly interface, a vast array of cryptocurrencies, and advanced trading features. It's become a go-to platform for both novice and seasoned traders alike. Today, we're going to explore the ins and outs of buying and selling cryptocurrency on Binance. This video will serve as your step-by-step guide, taking you from account creation all the way through to executing your first trade. We'll demystify the process, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to take your first steps into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Remember, cryptocurrency trading involves risk, and it's essential to conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So, let's dive right in and learn how to navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading on Binance. First things first, you need to create an account on Binance. To do this, simply head over to the Binance website. Here, you'll see a register option. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Be sure to choose a password that's both strong and memorable. After you've entered your details, Binance will send you an email to confirm your address. Click on the link in this email to verify your account. Now you're almost there, but there's one more step. Verification. Binance requires users to complete a verification process to ensure security and compliance. This process involves providing some personal information and documents. Don't worry, Binance uses advanced security measures to protect your information. So go ahead and complete the verification process. It might take a few minutes, but it's a crucial step to ensure your account's security. Once you've set up your account and completed the verification process, you're ready to deposit funds. Now, it's time to deposit funds into your Binance account. Once you've logged into your Binance account, navigate to the Wallet tab. This is where you'll see an option labeled Fiat and Spot. Click on it. Now you're at a crucial juncture, where you need to decide what currency you want to deposit. This could be a fiat currency like the US dollar or euro, or even a cryptocurrency that you already own. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to follow the instructions to deposit funds. You can do this using a bank transfer, a credit or debit card, or any other available options. Each method will have its own set of instructions, so make sure to follow them carefully. And remember, while some methods of deposit might be faster or more convenient, they might also come with higher fees. So, choose the one that best suits your needs. With your funds deposited, you're now ready to start trading. Buying cryptocurrency on Binance is a straightforward process. Once you've deposited funds into your account, the first step is to navigate to the trading platform. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it as the heart of Binance, where you can buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Once you're on the trading platform, the next step is to choose a trading pair. This essentially means selecting the cryptocurrency you want to buy and the currency you want to use to buy it. For example, if you're looking to buy Bitcoin with USDT, you would select the BTC USDT pair. It's like saying, I want to buy Bitcoin with my USDT. Now it's time to place a buy order. This is where you specify the type of order you want to place. You have three options: a market order, a limit order, or a stop limit order. A market order will buy the cryptocurrency at the best current market price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. And a stop limit order triggers a buy order once a certain price is reached. After deciding on the type of order, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Take a moment to double-check everything. When you're ready, confirm the order. Now, you've placed your buy order. Exciting, isn't it? After your order is executed, it's time to check your balances. This is where you'll see the cryptocurrency you've just bought. To do this, head over to the Wallet section of Binance. Here, you'll see a comprehensive view of your assets, including the cryptocurrency you've just purchased. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the trading platform, chosen a trading pair, placed and confirmed a buy order, and checked your balances. Congratulations! You've just bought your first cryptocurrency on Binance. Selling your cryptocurrency on Binance is just as easy as buying. Let's walk you through the process. Once you've decided to sell, you'll start by navigating to the Trade section on the Binance platform. This is where all the magic happens. It's the hub of buying, selling, and trading activities. Next, you'll need to select the trading pair you want to sell. Remember how we chose a trading pair when buying? It's the same process here. If you're looking to sell Bitcoin, for example, you may choose the BTC USDT pair. Note that the trading pair you select will depend on the type of cryptocurrency you're selling and the currency you want to receive in exchange. Now we're ready to place a sell order. You'll have to choose the type of order you want to place. You have three options: a market order, a limit order, or a stop limit order. A market order will sell your cryptocurrency at the best available price in the market. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell. And a stop limit order triggers a limit order once a specified price level is reached. Once you've chosen your order type, you'll enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. Make sure to double-check everything before you confirm the order. A simple mistake could mean selling at a price you didn't intend to. After confirming and placing your sell order, it's time to sit back and wait. Once your order is executed, the amount of cryptocurrency you sold will be deducted from your account, and the corresponding amount of the currency you chose in your trading pair will be added. You can check your balances in the Wallet section of Binance. Here you'll see the updated balance of both the cryptocurrency you sold and the currency you received in exchange. And there you have it. You've navigated the trading platform, chosen your trading pair, placed your sell order, and checked your balances. Well done! You've successfully sold cryptocurrency on Binance. While trading on Binance can be an exciting experience, it's important to keep a few tips in mind. First off, security is paramount. With the digital nature of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to ensure your investments are well protected. Binance offers two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA. By enabling this feature, you add an additional layer of security to your account. It's a simple step, but one that can make a significant difference in safeguarding your hard-earned assets. Next, let's talk about research. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, with new coins and tokens hitting the market regularly. It can be tempting to jump on the bandwagon of the latest trending coin, but remember, informed decisions often yield better results. Before trading any cryptocurrency, take time to understand what you're investing in. Look into its use case, team, market potential, and more. Don't let FOMO, that's fear of missing out, drive your trading decisions. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, is risk management. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market can lead to significant gains, but equally significant losses. It's crucial to only invest what you can afford to lose. This isn't just about protecting your financial well-being, but also your emotional health. Trading can be stressful, and it's important to ensure it doesn't take a toll on you. Consider setting stop-loss orders to manage your risk. This allows you to automate the selling process should the value of your cryptocurrency fall to a certain level, helping to mitigate potential losses. In the world of cryptocurrency trading, knowledge truly is power. Taking the time to understand the basics of security, conducting thorough research, and implementing effective risk management strategies can go a long way in setting you up for success. By keeping these tips in mind, you can navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading on Binance with confidence. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance. We've covered everything from creating an account, depositing funds, buying and selling your chosen cryptocurrency, to essential tips to keep your investments safe. Remember, it's crucial to do your homework before making any trading decisions. Always research the coins you're interested in, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Security is paramount, so don't forget to enable two-factor authentication to protect your Binance account. And of course, the landscape of cryptocurrency is dynamic, with the interface and features on Binance subject to change. So, always stay updated with the latest resources and guides provided by Binance. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency trading is vast and ever-changing, so stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Happy trading!